one day. It's better one day. You marinate it in pineapple with garlic and with salts and with a little bit pepper, mm, brown sugar. You have to cook until the wait. So guys, thank you for watching. Nahihirapan na ako na mag-English. Tagalog na lang. To be up is due. It's been